Hello friends, as we have discussed about kidney stones, the type, the molecular and the chemical formula, and now in this video we will discuss about how to know which type of kidney stones you have. Once you have kidney stone, but there's a question in the mind that which type of the stone it is. So for a doctor it is easy because they have certain diagnostic tests so that they can perform on a patient, and then later they get to know that which type of kidney stone it is. So the tests mainly include abdominal x-ray, CT scan, blood test, urine analysis. Now imaging tests provide the doctor with visual information about the stone, such as its size, its shape and location, where exactly the stone is located in the kidney. As you can see in the diagram, that the stone, it is like at the junction, and in some other cases it is like in this figure, it is the stone lying in the bladder. Now again, if we see other pictures, there's location of the stone, the multiple stones in this picture. So they might also be able to identify the cause, what exactly the cause is, and the complications such as urinary tract obstruction. So that is why imaging tests, they are important. If you visit doctor and you have stone, just please go through this imaging test and these examination which doctor has prescribed to you. Lab tests like urine analysis or blood tests provide samples of the different type of molecules present in your urine or blood. Elevated level of calcium, if there is a elevated level of calcium, phosphorus and other compounds, can indicate which type of stone you have. So if you go for blood test or urine analysis, these levels will indicate you which type of stone it is there. Once you have passed away any stone or had it surgically removed, it will often be sent to the lab to be analyzed. So ये टेस्ट करवा सकते हैं हम लोग और जान सकते हैं कि कौन कौन से पत्थर हैं, किस तरह के पत्थर हैं, कहाँ पर हैं, वो पथरी कहाँ बनी हुई है. तो ये जो टेस्ट रिकमेंड किए हुए हैं ये हम लोग करवा सकते हैं. The stone analysis can be used to determine whether you are likely to have another stone. अगर आपको पता लग जाए कि वो किस तरह की पथरी है तो आप उसको इन फ्यूचर रोक सकते हैं उसका रिकरेंस होना. ये डॉक्टर कैन हेल्प यू डिटरमाइन what you might be able to do to prevent recurrence. Okay, आगे चलते हैं. Are different type of kidney stones treated differently? There is another question in the mind that अलग अलग पथरी जो होती हैं अलग अलग तरह की, क्या उनको ट्रीटमेंट करने का भी तरीका अलग है? Is there any different way to treat? So once a kidney stone is formed, the treatment will be the same regardless of what type of stone it is. It will however be dependent on the size. Only matters what is the size. उसका size क्या है. The tube that moves urine from your kidney to bladder, उस पार्ट को हम यूरेटर कहते हैं. मैं यहाँ पर ये फोटो लगा रही हूँ यूरेटर की. So it will however be dependent on the size of the stone. The tube that moves urine from kidney to your bladder is called the ureter. इस यूरेटर में देख सकते हैं आप, इसका ल्यूमन बताया हुआ है और प्रॉपर इसका जो हमने ट्रांसफर सेक्शन लिया हुआ है. यू कैन ईजिली सी मिड यूरेटर, अपर बॉर्डर ऑफ सैक्रम, लोअर बॉर्डर ऑफ सैक्रम. सो ये हम यूरेटर को ईजिली यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं. सो द एवरेज यूरेटर हैज़ द इंटरवल डायमीटर of just 3 mm to 4 mm. सो इससे छोटी पथरी जो है वो निकल जाएगी, लेकिन 4 mm से बड़ी पथरी जो है वो डिज़ोल्व होगी तभी निकलेगी, अदरवाइज उसका निकलना मुश्किल है। आई एम शोइंग यू योर रफ डायग्राम दैट डायमीटर ऑफ द यूरेटर इज 3 to 4 mm. For stones that are small enough to pass through your ureter, the least invasive treatment is to pass them naturally. A healthcare professional would recommend drinking lots of water. You might also take medication to help. So choice is yours. You want it, the removal of stone surgically or naturally. So you can take medicine for pain and to control the urine acidity. So this could take from 4 to 6 weeks. Larger stones will need more immediate treatments. Now first is lithotripsy. It is an outpatient procedure used to break kidney stones into smaller pieces. Lithotripsy है एक प्रोसीजर है जिसमें जो पत्थर है उसको ब्रेक किया जाता है so that they can pass their own through ureter to bladder and then outside. The next is cystoscopy or ureteroscopy can be used to remove or break up kidney stones. During this procedure, doctor insert a special instrument through your urethra. Urethra से करते हैं and to reach the stone उसको वहाँ break करते हैं and then it automatically passes your ureter and then outside. Now the next is for very large stone you have to remove them surgically. Procedure percutation. That procedure is called percutaneous nephrolithotomy. So this was all about stone, ureter and अभी तक हमने जो पढ़ा वो मुझे लगता है कि आप लोगों को काफ़ी हद तक पता लगा होगा, क्योंकि हमको पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सा पत्थर है, कहाँ पर है और उसको रिकरेंस के लिए हम कैसे रोक सकते हैं. सो मैनी मोर प्रोसीजर्स और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे. बहुत ही स्पेशल टॉपिक है किडनीज़, उनका काम क्या है और वो क्या करती हैं और किडनी हमारे लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आने के लिए और देखने के लिए, जानने के लिए हमसे जुड़े रहिए. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.